Hello everyone, welcome to the Solidworks tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn Solidworks swift boss or base command. So let's get started. To use Solidworks swift boss or base command, we have two options. First one is a sketch profile. With a sketch profile, we have two mandatory fields, like one is close sketch is required and one path is required. That sketch must be perpendicular to the path. This is the requirement with the sketch profile. And second option is circular profile. For that, only path is okay. We can generate circular profile only with the path. And third option is thin feature. The thin feature option we can use with the above two options. So let's get started with SolidWorks. So first we will see sketch profile option. So go to the sketch, click on sketch, select plane to create a sketch and draw here a path. I have drawn one spline here, escape. Now we need to create one plane that is perpendicular to this curve or path. To create a sketch perpendicular to this path, we have to add one plane. Go to the features, reference, plane. Select the first reference as this point and the second reference is the path. So this will be perpendicular to this one. Click OK. Now we will create one sketch on the added plane. Click on sketch, select plane, make it normal and create here sketch. That sketch should be close. We'll make one random sketch here. In the sketch I have made close sketch. Now go to the features, click on swift boss or base. Here we will select option sketch profile. So first one is profile. So this is the sketch profile. This and second is path. Select the will be swept along the path. Just hide this plane. So this is the sweep command with sketch profile. To edit the path, just expand this, click on this sketch one and edit sketch. Just drag it, modify as per your requirement and close sketch. It will be updated as per the new sketch. Now second option we will see, that is circular profile. File, new, part, create one sketch. Again we will draw one spline. Close the sketch. Now in this case we don't need to add any plane or create a sketch. So go to the features, click on swift boss or base and select here option circular profile. Now we can see only one option is here, that is path. With the sketch profile we have two options like profile and path. So click on circular profile, select the path and enter here diameter like 15 mm diameter, swept along the path. Next option is thin feature. Just check this box. You can see 1 mm material has been added to one direction from the sketch. So this is the thin feature. In this we have three options like mid plane. From the sketch it will be offsetted 1 mm to both the side, then two direction. That is one direction you can control with 1 mm, and another direction if you want 0.5, it will be. So this is the thin feature. Click OK. So this is the sweep command. Hope have you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you.